In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your PayPal funds on Amazon, even though Amazon doesn't directly accept PayPal as a payment option. Although at first, this might sound a bit challenging, rest assured there are simple and effective solutions to make it happen, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. To start with, one of the most reliable methods is utilizing the PayPal debit card. If you're not already familiar with it, the PayPal debit card is a great tool that enables you to spend directly from your PayPal balance. It functions anywhere MasterCard is accepted, which of course includes Amazon. Now let's go into how you can set this up. First, if you haven't yet applied for a PayPal debit card, you'll need to do so. Simply log into your PayPal account and you can request the card through their services. Once you have successfully received it, the next step is adding this card as a payment method on your Amazon account. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each part of it. Begin by navigating to your Amazon account. Make sure you're logged in and then look for the section labeled Your Account. It's generally accessible from the top corner of the homepage. Once you're there, you'll find an option titled Your Payments. Select this, and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage all your current payment methods linked to your Amazon account. Now, to add your PayPal debit card, look for the button that says Add a Payment Method. Clicking this will prompt you to enter the details of your new card. Carefully input your PayPal debit card information here. This includes the card number, expiration date, and any other requested details. It's important to double-check everything to avoid any errors, ensuring that your card will be correctly linked and ready for use. Once you've entered all the necessary card details, save these changes and confirm that your PayPal debit card is now listed as one of the available payment methods. At this point, you can use your PayPal funds on Amazon just as you would with any other credit or debit card. It's a seamless technique that effectively bridges the gap between your PayPal balance and your Amazon shopping. With your PayPal debit card set up, you can now enjoy the flexibility and convenience of making Amazon purchases without having to transfer your balance elsewhere. It's a valuable solution for anyone who frequently uses PayPal and finds it a hassle to move funds around before shopping on Amazon. I hope this guide makes your online shopping experience smoother and more convenient. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.